today's video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to backup KUKA Robot System, backup and recover KUKA Robot System, particularly with KRC4. Because as we all know, you can backup here. This is archive restore, but this operation is just for the program, for the data, for the log, doesn't include the entire system. But typically we need to backup the entire robot system. Then we need, how could we achieve this goal? Unlike other robots, in KUKA Robot we need image, we need KUKA System Robot. We need KUKA Robot System USB Disk. So that is today's video. So how to do the backup and recover system? We use two methods for the KUKA Robot. The first method, we have to prepare, or you have to buy it from KUKA official system disk. Should be like this. You can buy it from KUKA official. Once you buy it, you plug this disk into your laptop. Because in KUKA Robot, if we backup the system, we have to backup KUKA disk C and data D, these two disks, and as WIM file, image file backup, and we can recover it. Also, we can upgrade or downgrade, use the image WIM file to use the KUKA official system disk. You get it? So backup these two disks content. So once you plug the KUKA system disk in your laptop, you can open it. You can open the disk, should be like this. Then you double click recovery configure this icon, and you will enter this screen. You will find expert configuration. Click it. This is setting for expert. You should choose including disk C, including disk D, and copy the image to the hide portion. And also click this item. This option merely support KUKA controller. These options must confirm under expert configure settings. And after you confirm these options, you click the configuration. You click on it and follow these steps. Configuration, auto mode, create disk image, means backup eternally, image to USB disk, click apply, click OK, click exit. Remember, configuration, auto mode, create disk image eternally, USB disk, apply, OK, exit. Then plug the KUKA system disk into the robot USB port on cabinet like this, and shut down robot power and power on. Once power on, the backup process is undergoing, should be like this. First, cabinet light 1 solid green, light 2 flashing, and touch pendant shows like waiting connection. Okay, this is the undergoing for backup. And once cabinet light 3 and 4 turn gray by sequence means backup finish. And then light 1 to 6 will flash immediately, and finally robot will into sleep mode, and light 2 will keeps flashing like this. Then means totally finish achieved. Then you plug out KUKA System Disk and open it in your laptop, and the backup file should have these two files, imagec wim, imaged wim, must include these two files. If not, then the backup is not complete, it's not total. You have to do one more time. So these steps are for backup by KUKA USB disk, by KUKA System Disk. And once you backup the system by the system disk, then how do you recover the system by this KUKA System Disk? Recover step just like follows above. You still plug the USB disk into your laptop. You still open the recovery configure. You plug the laptop, you plug the USB disk, you still double click recovery configure. Okay, and you recovery, once you double click recover configure, you still choose configuration, you still choose auto mode, but this time you have to choose the second one, put image into disk, the second one, the image into disk, and eternally still USB disk, and you choose the file. This is should be C and D. You can step by step. Okay, configuration auto mode, choose image to disk, and apply, and OK, and exit, and put this KUKA USB disk into the cabinet port, like these steps, and power, shut down the power and power on, and follow these steps. Once totally finished is the same step, then the recovery finish. Okay, this is the steps for KUKA Robot in terms of backup and recovery step using KUKA System Disk. One more time, you can buy it from official. So some people don't buy it from official, think it's expensive. Then there is another way to backup and recovery the KUKA Robot system. Use Ghost 64. This software you can download from Google. Ghost 64 software. This software can backup the hardware disk as image file and recover it and clone it, the hardware content. You get it? So you use this software, you prepare SATA to USB cable, SATA to USB cable. You prepare this cable, and you find hardware disk in KUKA Robot cabinet like this. This is the power cable. This is the hardware disk connection. SATA SATA cable. You just plug out this hardware and you prepare another empty hardware disk. You plug them both into your laptop and use this Ghost 64 to backup to create image from the KUKA Robot Hardware disk to this fully new empty hardware disk, so that you backup all the content C and D disk image into this fully new hardware disk. Then you make the backup, you make the image backup successfully, and once you want to recover it, you just simply plug this fully new hardware disk into the robot cabinet, or you recover this fully new hardware disk into the original hardware disk. Then the backup will finish. You get it? So this is today's video. This backup and recovery KUKA system is very simple and very basic, but it's necessary for you to master it. Still, if you're master of KUKA Robot, ignore this video. If you're beginners, hopefully it's useful.